Hey, this is Neha Dongre and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I am going to talk about how to bring your goals into reality. So, in this video, I am going to share with you step-by-step formula which I follow in my daily life to achieve my goals. So, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's get started. So, the very first step is write down your goal into your journal or on a piece of a paper. Write down your goal into a clear statement. For example, to get a remote job. I want to get one good remote job. Okay, that is the statement you need to write, okay, on a piece of paper. Working on communication skills. I want to get good command or English communication skill. That is the statement. That is your goal. Okay. I want to crack this exam. That is the statement. Okay. Write down the clear statement in your journal. Okay. Now, second step which you need to follow here. Find out resources, methods. So, first category here, to get a remote job. You know that to get a remote job, you need strong, well-written resume. Second point, your profile on LinkedIn. Third, your profile is on other job listing websites. So, these are all your resources to get good remote job. Okay. Third thing, focus. Focus on each and everything which can give you that good remote job. Now, virtual assistant, that is the essential skill you need to have if you want to achieve remote job. Second, technical skills. You need to have technical skills. And third, you should be familiar with online job interviews. Okay, so these are these are some skills which you need in this category. So focus should be on this. Last step is consistency. But consistency in what? Of course, consistency in applying for remote kind of jobs. This was the first example. Now second example, communication skills. If you want to work on your English communication skills, write down this goal on a piece of paper. Second, resources. Find out essential resources or methods to fulfill that goal. In this category, your resources would be different than previous one. Like if you want to achieve good command or English communication skills, you need subscription for various applications to improve your spoken English. Second, subscription of various newsletters and blogs. Third, do subscribe various news channels in English. Okay, be ready with list of various English podcasts. So these are all your resources to fulfill that goal. Now, third step, your focus should be on each and everything related to this goal, related to English communication. And last, consistency. Here, consistency in what? Consistency in speaking English, in this language, in English language. Okay, so follow these steps. Your goal could be different, okay, but you need to follow these 4 steps. First, write down that goal into a clear statement. Second, find out resources, methods. Third, focus. Focus should be clear. And the last step, consistency. Consistency in your efforts to achieve that goal. Okay, so these are 4 steps and I follow these 4 steps to fulfill my goals. Okay, so Follow these steps and let me know in the comments below about that. I will be back with another interesting topic for you so soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.